daily, monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, yearly.
Okay.
So in SAP, we need to update that data, and there is one background job which will be run every night.
Okay.
Once this background job run, system will automatically create the work orders, and user or maintenance person will get every morning that work order. So he can go and he can perform the maintenance activity. Also, they in some scenario you need to get the work order early, because in some work order there will be some components. So you need to arrange that component much early. Or in some work orders, it will be man hours will be high. So you need to arrange that man hours. So SAP has given functionality that you can create the work order early, 7 days before, 15 days before. So you can schedule your plan very smoothly with all the labor, all material, everything will be in your hand. You can connect with the production person and you can ask them, please give me the machine for preventive maintenance. So this is the general scenario. So to understand the this is objective is to understand the business processes of plant maintenance, and plant maintenance will be interlinked with maintenance strategy. So strategy means in maintenance strategy there will be task list, maintenance atom. So this data will be interlinked with maintenance plan. So maintenance plan is nothing but the total overview, how you will perform the maintenance activity. So in maintenance plan, there will be equipments, task list. Task list means what are the activity you need to perform for that maintenance. Maintenance item, nothing but the equipment. It has been interlinked here. So after that, we need to schedule that maintenance plan, and deadline monitoring means after scheduling the maintenance plan, system will automatically create and release preventive orders. Okay, so PMR means preventive maintenance routings. So all this activity will be handled by maintenance planners, and they will be sit in CMD, centralized maintenance department, or in the planning plant. They will sit and they will perform all this activity. So their responsibility to generate the order, right? Yeah. So here you will see type of plan maintenance. One is time based, means as I mentioned, 6 month, quarterly, 6 month, a half yearly, yearly, 3 months, like this. Some are performance based, means if my machine run 500 hours, then I need to perform some activity, 100 hours some activity, 1000 hours some activity. And third is based on the condition, means my temperature is high, then I need to perform some maintenance activity. Pressure is high, then I need to perform. So it will be condition based. So we will go, I think I will not take that much time. You can refer that PPT later. We will directly go to SAP and we will start how we can configure this preventive maintenance.
Okay.
So, but I will suggest you to go through it, and just for reference, you can see how things is going on. Basically, I will touch to each and every scenario, but Just a moment. Yeah, already it has mentioned everything. Okay. Okay, you can go through it once you get the time. Okay, so we will start in SAP. So basically, for preventive maintenance, there is some prerequisite data.
Okay.
So we need to update that data in the system. So we will start the preventive maintenance with maintenance strategy. So I will show you how to create the maintenance strategy.
Okay.
So the default for maintenance strategy is IP11
Mm.
and path is logistic,
Mm.
planned maintenance.
Preventive.
Yes,
Work
maintenance planning,
scheduling.
maintenance planning, and maintenance strategy. Okay. So here you will find two T codes, change
Mm.
and display.
Okay.
Change is nothing but IP11. You can create new entries. So we will see first time base. We will create strategy time base. So it will be some time duration we need to give. We need to update here like a quarterly, half yearly, yearly, weekly.
Mm.
Yeah. So we will see how to what is concept of maintenance strategy,
Mm.
how to create task list, how to create maintenance plan atom, both time based, counter based, and we will understand the automatic scheduling and deadline monitoring. So system will schedule and create the work order automatically. So plan maintenance overview, maintenance strategy, task list, some exercises are there. Then in their main maintenance plan, maintenance item nothing but equipment or functional location, which has been assigned to maintenance plan. Then we'll do scheduling and deadline monitoring, work order generation. Okay, we have seen this. Okay, so if you see here, maintenance strategy, task list, maintenance item, maintenance plan here. Planned maintenance can be performed within SAP daily, weekly, monthly. Okay. Then
Okay.
performance basis. Performance basis means hours, miles, kilometer, ton. So time based and performance based. Then plan maintenance overview. So what is meant by maintenance strategy? So in maintenance strategy, we will define the frequency,
Mm.
that is meant by package, and it will be used to create the task list and maintenance plan. So you can see it's a package or frequency. So when we need to perform strategy, maintenance plan, time base, okay. Maintenance strategy, okay. Provide flexibility of scheduling based on several conditions. So here we can maintain the several condition, and once defined, then it can be linked to task list and maintenance plan. There will be counter milestone time according to time base we can update our equipment performance, that is a counter hours, volume, mileage. We can add this. Okay. Strategy concept. Which part need to be inspected and what interval? Okay.
Okay.
So some parts require monthly inspection, some require quarterly, some require 1 year, like a check gear teeth abrasion. So we are out of the gear. So we will check on year basis. Okay. So in strategy, time-based strategy, what parameter, how we can update the packages,
Mm.
all this has been mentioned here. So let's go to the SAP. Okay. So T code IP11. And here you need to add new entry. Just click on new entry name. So you can give any name. Data That's good. Okay. TAT. There are some limitation, time base. So it's time.
TPM, we say it is TPM.
That's it. Okay. Okay. T. Time based status. Okay. So scheduling indicator. So that will be scheduling indicator will be time. So if you find there are four indicators.
Mm.
One is time, second is time key date, third is time factory calendar, and fourth is activity. So if you select time, the system will generate the order with a fixed interval. If you maintain the monthly, it will generate order exactly 30 days. It will not see Saturday, Sunday, holiday, nothing. You will get the order first day of the month. In spite you have 1 May as a holiday, you will get the order. Second is time key date. Time key date means you need to maintain some date. So I have my hydraulic press. So I need to generate that preventive order of hydraulic press 5th of month.
Okay.
So if you maintain time key date and you mention 5th, then every 5th month, monthly, you will get that order. 5th day of month. If you maintain 15th day or 10th day, every 10th day, it will not consider Saturday, Sunday, Monday, nothing. 5th, okay. Here it will consider 30 days, 30 days. Here it will consider key day means key day. In spite of any holiday, bank holiday, Saturday, Sunday, 30 day. Key date means same day. If you mention 5th, every 5th day. If you mention 10th, it will create order 10th, 10th May, 10th June, 10th July, 10th. Third is time factory calendar. Means it will remove your holiday, Saturday, Sunday, bank holiday, and it will calculate only business day. Means the day in which you are going to the company. Right? And activity. Activity means performance base.
Okay.
Like your machine will run 1000 hours. After that, order will be generated.
Okay.
So it depends upon activity. You understand?